Are you tired of obsessing over every bite, every calorie, every single number that tells you what you can't eat and still not seeing that stubborn belly fat budge? Let me tell you something powerful. You don't have to count a single calorie to start changing your body today. That's right, no tracking, no apps, no restriction. Just you, your determination, and 10 powerful movements that will spark fat burn, tighten your core, and shred your waistline, all from wherever you are. No equipment needed. This is more than just a workout. It's a shift in mindset, because the real secret isn't in your plate, it's in your power. Going to crush 10 game-changing exercises designed to target belly fat, fire up your metabolism, and leave you feeling stronger than ever, and all you need is 20 minutes a day. No diets, no deprivation, just action. So if you're ready to shed the belly fat, gain confidence, and feel the power of your own body in motion, hit that play button and let's begin. This is your time, let's move. Exercise 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are like cardio and core training all rolled into one explosive move, and they're absolutely essential for torching belly fat. Start in a strong plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Engage your core like you're bracing for a punch, then start driving your knees toward your chest one at a time, fast. You want to feel like you're sprinting on the floor. This isn't just about speed though. Keep your hips low and your core tight, that's where the magic happens. What makes mountain climbers so effective is that they hit multiple muscle groups while pushing your heart rate into fat-burning territory. You're working your abs, shoulders, chest, and legs, all while building endurance and blasting calories. Start with 3 rounds of 30 seconds on 15 seconds rest. As you get stronger, aim for 45 seconds to a full minute. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep moving. Keep sweating. Every climb is a step closer to revealing that strong, lean core beneath. Exercise 2. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are your secret weapon for sculpting that hard-to-reach lower belly. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides, legs lifted, knees bent at 90 degrees. Now engage your core and curl your hips off the ground, bringing your knees toward your chest. Slowly lower back down with control. That's 1 rep. Unlike traditional crunches that often strain your neck, reverse crunches go straight to the source, the lower abs. The key is to lift with your core, not your legs. You don't need to swing. Control is what builds muscle and burns fat. To really maximize the fat burning effect, try doing 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Go slow, squeeze your core at the top and breathe with every rep. This move builds real core strength and sculpts your waistline without needing a single piece of equipment. And remember, the slower the drop, the more your muscles engage. That's the burn we're after. Stick with it and you'll start feeling tighter and stronger with every session. Exercise 3. Standing oblique crunches. Forget side bends with weights. Standing oblique crunches are safer, smarter, and just as powerful. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head like you're about to do a sit-up. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow while crunching sideways. Squeeze those obliques, the muscles on the side of your waist. Lower and repeat on the left. This move keeps your body upright so there's no pressure on your spine. Plus, the standing position engages your stabilizer muscles, improving balance and posture while shredding your side belly fat. Every rep fires up your core, especially your obliques, and strengthens your hip flexors and thighs at the same time. Perform 3 rounds of 20 reps per side. Want more challenge? Speed it up into a cardio burst or add a pause at the top for an extra squeeze. These are great for all fitness levels and can be done anywhere, at home, in your office, or while watching TV. Belly fat doesn't stand a chance when your core is this active. Exercise 4. Plank to shoulder tap. This isn't just a workout, it's a core strength test. Start in a solid plank position, wrists directly under shoulders, feet shoulder width apart. 1 hand at a time, tap the opposite shoulder, then return to plank. Alternate hands without swaying your hips. Sounds simple? Think again. The real challenge is resisting rotation. That's where your core does the heavy lifting. Each time you stabilize during a shoulder tap, your abs are firing like crazy. You're also engaging your glutes, back, and arms. This is total body control. Keep your body aligned like a plank of wood, no sagging hips, no pike-ups. Go slow and keep everything tight. Aim for 3 rounds of 30 to 45 seconds each. If that's too much, drop to your knees. The burn doesn't care if you modify. Shoulder taps force your core to work under tension and fatigue, the perfect recipe for carving out definition and blasting stubborn belly fat. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunches. Ready to fire up your entire core? Bicycle crunches combine rotation, resistance, and rhythm, the holy trinity of belly fat burning. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, knees bent, and feet lifted off the ground. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending the right leg straight. Then switch sides like you're pedaling through the air. The magic of bicycle crunches lies in the twist. twist. This move targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques in one fluid motion. Each rotation squeezes your core and forces your body to burn more energy with every rep. Keep the burn alive. Go for 3 sets of 20 to 30 slow controlled reps. Don't rush. The slower you go, the deeper the burn. Make sure your shoulder, not your elbow, is initiating the twist, and never yank your neck. This is one of the most effective of exercises ever studied, and it's your fast track to carving out that waistline. You're not just moving, you're sculpting with purpose. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. If you want to tighten your lower belly, flutter kicks are the no-nonsense move you need. Lie flat on your back with your hands tucked under your glutes, legs straight. Raise both feet a few inches off the ground, then alternate quick up and down kicks without letting your heels touch the floor. Underestimate the power of this tiny movement. It torches the lower abs, strengthens your hip flexors, and demands deep core engagement. It's the burn that builds results. Breathe steadily and keep your lower back pressed firmly into the ground. If it starts to arch, pause, reset, and continue. Try 3 rounds of 30 seconds each. Want more fire? Increase the speed or go for 45 seconds. Flutter kicks are deceptively intense, but they'll transform your lower core strength in weeks. You'll feel the difference and soon you'll see it. Let's keep the momentum. Your core's heating up, and that's a good thing. Exercise 7. Russian twists. Russian twists bring the twist and the burn. Sit on the ground, knees bent, feet slightly off the floor. Lean back slightly to form a V shape with your torso and thighs. Now clasp your hands together and twist side to side, touching the ground on each side. This rotational powerhouse zeroes in on your obliques, strengthens your spine, and forces your core to stay tight and controlled. Each rep works your entire midsection, and keeping your feet elevated only increases the challenge. Make sure your back is straight, don't round your spine. And don't swing your arms wildly. The power should come from your core, not momentum. Go for 3 sets of 20 reps, keeping it controlled and focused. Want to level up? Hold a lightweight or water bottle to intensify the twist. Every rotation chips away at that stubborn belly fat and carves out serious definition. Exercise 8. High knees. Time to turn up the heat. High knees are a fat-burning cardio move that also blasts your abs. Stand tall and start running in place, bringing your knees as high as possible with every rep. Drive through the balls of your feet and pump your arms. This high-intensity move spikes your heart rate, ignites your metabolism, and engages your core with every lift. It's not just about speed, it's about height, rhythm, and control. Try doing 3 rounds of 30 to 45 seconds with 15 seconds rest in between. Don't forget to breathe, exhale with each knee drive, and keep your abs tight throughout. High knees shred belly fat fast and require zero equipment. You can do them in your bedroom, your backyard, even in your kitchen. Wherever you are, they go with you. Exercise 9. Plank jacks. Plank jacks are where cardio meets core control. Get into a forearm or high plank, your choice, with your feet together. Now jump your feet out wide like a jumping jack, then back in. Keep your body stable and your core tight as you move. Each jump activates your abs, glutes, shoulders, and legs, while also boosting your heart rate and pushing you into fat-burning mode. It's a perfect compound move that saves time while delivering big results. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds. Keep your hips level, your spine neutral, and your abs fully engaged. It's easy to get sloppy here, but precision equals progress. This move builds endurance, tones your core, and burns calories all in one dynamic motion. You're not just holding a plank, you're turning it into a fat shredding machine. Exercise 10. Leg raises. Last one, and it's a lower belly sculptor. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides. Keep your legs straight, then lift them up to 90 degrees and slowly lower them back down without touching the ground. That's 1 rep. Leg raises strengthen the lower abs, hip flexors, and even your lower back when done with control. The secret? Slow and steady. Don't let gravity do the work. Use your core to control both the lift and the descent. If your lower back arches, slide your hands under your glutes or keep your legs slightly bent. The goal is full engagement and safety. Do 3 rounds of 12 to 15 reps with perfect form. This finisher hammers the lower belly, the area most people struggle with, and leaves your abs begging for mercy. But that's how change happens. You did it. 10 intense belly fat blasting exercises, no calorie counting, no apps, no guilt. Just you, your body, your determination, and your commitment to change. You didn't need a gym. You didn't need a meal plan. What you needed was already inside you, the decision to move, to show up, and to push through every rep when your body said stop. And that decision? It matters. Every drop of sweat, every breathless second, every burn in your core, that's where the fat starts to melt, the confidence starts to build, and the real transformation begins. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. So don't just stop here, come back tomorrow. Hit play again. Stack these workouts, mix them up, keep moving. Every session brings you one step closer to the strong, toned core you're building from the inside out. And remember, you don't have to change everything to change your life. Just start with movement. Just start with you. If you felt the burn and loved this workout, hit that like button, subscribe for more no excuse fitness, and drop a comment letting us know which move lit up your core the most, because this community, it's about strength, not stress.